Today is the 18th of June 2022. A few days ago, on the 11th of June 2022, I lost my drone in the Scilly Isles due to a bug in DJI software where I flew inside a authorization zone which I unlocked, and that authorization zone sat within a enhanced warning zone which you are allowed to fly in. I legally unlocked my zone with authorization from air traffic control and DJI approved it. I'm currently here today with some friends and I'm borrowing their drone, and I have set up a very small authorization zone within an enhanced warning zone. So if you look at the screen here, and if I tap this, it should show as an enhanced warning zone. I can't hold two things at the same time. Basically, I'm here and my home point will... Can you hold this? Thank you. So this orange area is an enhanced warning zone, as you can see, and the purple area here is my very small test area to show where this is my authorization zone I've unlocked within an enhanced warning zone. I'm allowed to fly in both of these, but what happened to my drone was I wasn't able to fly. I was able to fly inside my authorization zone, but I was not allowed to come back, and therefore my drone ended up in the sea on the 11th of June. So if we move the drone outside of this area, we'll walk this way. So if we come over here and get the drone outside of the authorization zone, okay, we're outside now. So if we put the drone down, and then if I take off, it should update the home point. Yeah, I'm not going to go up that high. How come the home point's not updated? This one here? I don't know how to update the home point. Yeah, should we just turn it off and on again? I want the home point to be outside.
Turn the drone off?
Yeah, I think so. I just hang on. Should catch itself in a second. I'm gonna have to cut this video. Okay, knock it off, and then we'll start the home point outside, and I'll turn this off as well. Okay. So the home point should update itself and start outside the zone. There we go. So now if I take off, although, hang on, if you hold this, oh, okay, the purple zone's back. So now if we take off, what's your up, by the way? This one, that one? Yeah, okay. So you can see the drone there. I'm just going to fly into the zone. So it's inside, and then if I come back, you'll see that it will not be able to come past that purple line. It should get stuck.
Yeah, it has.
And it has. So if you hold this controller,
yeah, you're right,
and your forward button is there, and that drone is trying to go forwards,
it's not coming back.
but it's not coming back, and it's stuck now on the purple line there, even though we're allowed to fly inside this purple area, which is why it allowed it to cross into it, and we're allowed to fly in where the home point started, and it's only an enhanced warning zone and you're allowed to fly there, and the drone cannot come back across that purple line and I did this in the Isles of Scilly, and my drone ended up in the sea because it could not come back across that purple line.
Yep.
Is that are you on the line now? Yeah. So if you, that's the point, if you try and erase the line, so what you have to do is, if we go up here, because this is, I was under a lot of pressure, so I didn't actually try and think of this, and if we disable,
unable to enable
disable license in flight, so you're not allowed to actually take away your purple authorization zone whilst it's flying.
So there's no way of getting that
and
back?
There's no way of getting that back now, because
how about if I come at it at some speed?
You can have a go, put it into sport mode, and okay, and yeah, come across really quickly, and it'll just, it'll slow itself down.
Oh yeah.
And so if you now imagine lots of ocean here, there's hundreds of meters deep between you, you cannot get your drone back, and now you're stuck inside this whole square rectangle.
Yeah, you can't, can you?
You cannot get it back.
Okay, that looks like a problem.
So that is a bug in DJI software which cost me my drone. Thanks for watching.